everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you here with me today. For those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Rachel. So today I'm covering a very frequently asked question that I wish I had the answers to when I was starting studying towards AAT. Today I am going to be talking about the different job opportunities. That was weird. Today I'm going to be talking about the different jobs that you can get with an accounting qualification like AAT. So becoming AAT qualified really can be one of the best ways to fast track your career. Level by level, you'll learn the skills that are widely in demand in the UK at the moment. And these skills will help you to prepare for the future roles that you will land. The same skills will also prepare you for a really rewarding career in finance, accounting, and bookkeeping roles. And what are those roles, I hear you ask? Okay, so I have put together a very juicy, spill the tea level list of jobs that you could get with AAT qualifications. I've managed to whittle the list down to 7. It's not exhaustive, but with the 7, I have put them in order of AAT qualifications needed, lowest to highest, and salary, lowest to highest. And then within each job role, I'm going to give you a description of what that role entails and what skills you need in order to be great for the job. I am so excited. This is the content I wish I had when I was looking at AAT qualifications, because so often I just wanted to see a list of okay, AAT level 2, you can do these jobs. AAT level 3, you can do these jobs. This is what I wanted. I am so excited to be able to deliver it for you. So let's go. But one thing that I really would love to say is that with an accountancy qualification, the world is your oyster. And while some of these job titles might seem quite micro in their roles, never ever forget that with an accounting qualification, you can do that role in any company in the world. Every company has a finance department, and so if you're looking at becoming an accounts assistant and you want to go into industry rather than practice, and you have a passion in football, you could apply to be an accounts assistant for a football team, the Premier League. The world really is your oyster, and I would really encourage you to never ever forget that. So I have dwindled it down to 7 roles, and I'm going to kick things off with number 1. So the first job title that I wanted to talk about is the role of the accounts assistant. Accounts assistants really support the accounting department. They do what they say on the tin. This is an entry-level role that covers various administrative tasks, such as processing invoices, speaking to customers, speaking to suppliers, reconciling supplier statements onto accounting software, preparing reports, and recording transactions onto accounting software. For the accounts assistant role, you're going to be looking at needing either AAT level 2 or AAT level 3 and above. And the top skills you need for this role are attention to detail, organisation, time management, computer skills, and strong communication skills. And the average salary for an accounts assistant in the UK is £21,000. Next up, we have got the credit controller. So credit controllers help companies or individuals manage money that is borrowed or owed to them. And in order to retrieve that capital, the credit controllers have to negotiate payment plans, keep accurate records, and process the payments in order to get the cash into the company's bank account. To become a credit controller, you are looking at needing an AAT level 2 qualification or above, and the top skills you need in order to be great for this role are great customer service, patience, computer skills, organisational skills, and administrative skills. The average salary of a credit controller in the UK in 2021 is £22,000. Okay, next up we have the bookkeeper, and the bookkeeper's role really does sit at the heart of the business. Bookkeepers are tasked with keeping the financial records of a company up to date and accurate in order to give a business or a business owner a great overview of the way the business looks today. Bookkeepers quite often are also responsible for preparing and filing VAT returns, raising purchase orders and sales invoices, and processing financial data. And in order to become a bookkeeper, you're going to be looking at the AAT level 2 and 3 bookkeeping qualifications or the AAT level 2 certificate in accounting. Again, coming on to the juicy bit, the average salary in the UK of a bookkeeper is £26,000. Okay, next up we have a payroll manager. And payroll managers create and implement effective systems that will ensure that payroll is accurate, correct, and paid on time. Because that is literally why everybody comes to work. They are also tasked with maintaining accurate records, reporting on financial data, and managing the payroll team. So as you can see, this is a really interesting role, which also includes management experience, which is absolutely great to have. So in order to be a payroll manager, you are looking at needing AAT level 4. The top skills required to be a great payroll manager are attention to detail, numeracy, literacy, leadership, organisation, and problem solving. The average salary that you're looking at to be a payroll manager is £36,000. Next up, we have the role of a finance analyst. And finance analysts assess stocks, bonds, and investment performances in order to give advice to companies and individuals about their investment decisions. In general, finance analysts work in banks, insurance companies, and investment companies. In order to land yourself the role of a finance analyst, you are looking at needing AAT level 4 and above. The skills you'll need to be great at this role are problem solving, critical thinking, analytical thinking, communication, and IT skills. Again, the average salary of a finance analyst is going up as we go along the list, and the average salary for this role is £39,000 per year. Next up, we've got the role of the tax manager. Tax managers help to develop and put into practice bespoke tax plans for their clients, so businesses or individuals. And they're also responsible for ensuring that tax is compliant, managing the documentation that goes along with it, and resolving any other tax-related issues. And they'll also be managing a team of other individuals that do the same thing. In order to become a tax manager, you are looking at needing an AAT level 4 qualification, and the top skills that you'll need if you want to become a tax manager are stakeholder management skills. So now that you are in a management position, you'll need to be able to effectively communicate with the stakeholders of the business, problem solving, critical thinking, and attention to detail. And the average role of a tax manager in 2021 in the UK is £53,000. Finally, the 7th job role that made my list was the VAT Accountant. So VAT accountants support businesses with VAT and financial advice. They also manage key relationships with HMRC, they communicate with other VAT governing bodies, and they forecast VAT payments based on businesses' growth. In order to land yourself this role, you will need AAT level 4, and the top skills you'll need are critical thinking, stakeholder management, attention to detail, and problem solving. And the average salary of a VAT manager in the UK in 2021 is £55,000. So those were just the 7 that made my list, and that list is not exhaustive. The salary bands are certainly not capped. The sky is your limit, the world is your oyster, and I would really encourage you to do loads and loads of research and get yourself really excited for what the future holds if you are considering a career in accountancy or an accountancy qualification. I'll pop up some other videos here now that you might be interested in that I have created all about the world of AAT and what job opportunities are available to you, because this is information that wasn't available to me when I was making the same decisions that you are now, and I am very passionate about sharing the information and making it a little bit easier for the people that follow me. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really hope this video has been beneficial, helpful, and just made you really excited about not only how much money you can earn, but the sort of roles that you might be able to get in the future through studying with AAT. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I've had the absolute best time. As I said at the beginning, if we are not yet connected, I would love to welcome you into the family, so please do hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up so I know, and let me know in the comments which job role interests you most and why. Thank you again for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.